Hello guys, so we are going to have a room tour at my bedroom. It's just a simple one. So first of all, I would like to introduce myself since I'm still new in this kind of YouTube channel. My name is Alia Afika binti Baharnuddin. You can call me Alia. And secondly, I am 25 years old and I just finished my bachelor degree in counseling at UNIMAS. And I'm still waiting to pursue my studies in master. And I have two cats, Rizky and Ira, and I have 5 family members including my father, my dad, my mom, and 2 of my younger brothers. And that's all from me. So let's get started. So kami akan speak in bahasa Sarawak. And campur lah Roja, ada English, ada Melayu. Okay, so as you can see, belakang pintu, I have my bags in here yang kami gantung dekat situ. And tu are just macam some of my bags lah, lagi di dalam almari, di dalam kotak that I sik guna gila, yang kami sik guna gila. So kami letak dalam bakul di dalam almari. So next, tu adalah bag kami. And this one, I do it myself actually. Kami hias tu sendiri. And I will give you the tutorial if you want. Tapi tu dah habis battery actually. So kami just letak kat situ since it's cute. So why not? Okay, so next. For the leaves, I got it from Shopee. And tu kami dapat dari supermarket. I don't remember where. Kami I got it from Shopee. Yeah, my mom got it from Shopee, so I took it. My mom gave it to me. So this one I got it from DIY. Tu ada si gig actually, tapi nya dah pecah when I clean my room. So tu adalah my frame, my mom, me and my brother, my younger brother. Tu frame tu si ingat dapat dari sini sebab I got it when I was still a kid. Tu I think we got it from SSF, I guess. Yeah, and that one too. Tu this one is my mirror, vanity mirror. Hi. And this one for mirror kami dapat dari, I guess dari SSF. Dari SSF, yeah. So next is my teddy bear. I got it from Kaison. And bakul to, actually kami buat bakul to ada bantal di bawah actually. Kami buat tu for my cat actually. Tapi tidak simut tidur stop. And they choose to sit here instead. And that side table also, tidak selalu tidur kat sia, and here too. Yeah, so kami letak sejadah dengan my telekong kat sia. And this one is my cupboard. Cupboard kami tu sebenarnya hanya transparent di dalam tu, but I don't like it to be see-through, so I put the wallpaper inside it. So macam si nampak lah, lebih kemas macamnya. So I got this cupboard from one of my furniture shop in my area, my house area. We got it from there. And di bawah tu ada drawer, and nya memang dah bisa the wallpaper, so it's okay. And dalam, the amazing thing about this cupboard is, tada! Ya, ada apa tu macam pakai tempat berias lah. So macam bilik sempit sebab ada di dalam tu juga. And dalam tu ada my skincares. I'm not gonna show to you guys since it's messy. Yeah, sorry. So di bawah tu ada my makeups tu, ada makeups, my brushes. Yeah, and di dalam tu semua my clothes. And this one too. Okay, move to my side table. So these are my side tables. Dalam tu ada macam just useless things, I guess. Yeah, useless things di dalamnya. And this one, this lamp, my father gave it to me. My father or my mother gave it to me. Yeah. And actually, yes, it's a Swiss spoon, but I want to put it here since macam lebih nampak lah nak. And I don't want to put it there sebab macam gamit pada tak tidak lebih suka tidur sia. And this one, I got it from my friend, my diploma and internship friend. Yeah, she's the same person actually, and she gave it to me. Thank you. Cantik. Okay, so next is my katil. Tu katil kami. Yang best tentang katil tu is the drawer. The drawer. Yeah. Drawer dalam tu adalah my tudung, my clothes inside this drawer, since I think like that almarinya macam cukup for my clothes. So I have to separate all of the things and put it in asing-asing lah tempatnya. Okay, so this cadar tu we got it from Kaisen. We got it from Kaisen actually. Yeah, this is my cat. We got it from Parkson. And as you can see, ni ada macam ni ada dua color dekat situ. Nya pun ialah apa nama benda tu kira macam nyasi lah, comforter, kira macam ni lah. So next is my apa benda tu my patung. Ada gate sebenarnya. Ya, ada gate, tapi macam si keluarkan lah sebab banyak gila. So I got all of this. Some of it are from someone, for my birthday present, my friends, my parents. Yeah, this one I got it from Kaison. And this one actually I got it from my friend when I was 12 for my birthday present too. Yeah. So this one is actually a mirror. Not actually a mirror. It's kind of a lamp. Mirror lamp, yeah. To kami dapat dari Shopee. I will give you all the link description. The link in the description. So to adalah side table and all the leaves here. To sebenarnya nya dalam sikit one set. But I cut it into half. Yeah, I cut it into half. Since nya panjang, so macam cukup lah, cantik. Okay, so langsir kami my cat. Tu semua tu di dalam tu actually tempat bag dah apa semua, bag sandang macam ni lah, bag computer bags, my laptop bags. Okay, so dalam kotak tu adalah my all the wirings. So macam ni si berserabut lah bila kat luar. Nya letak dalam tu. So nya ada lubang tepi tu. And tepi tu. So bila macam nya dapat keluarkan the wire through the lubang lah. Letakkan di dalamnya. Ni dah apa semua. And I think my mom got it from Kaison or Shopee. Yeah, sama juga with this apa nama benda tu leaves. And this one canvas tu nya kecil je sebenarnya, cute nya. I got it from Mr. DIY since it's cute. So kami beli. Ni cantik. So kami belilah. Okay. So these are my cats. This one is Ira and this one is Risky. And for that rug to kami I got it from Mr. DIY. Yeah, I got it from Mr. DIY, and I got this one from my cousin. Okay, we move from here. Okay, so next, this one is actually a musical box, and this one is we got it from SSF. Itu adalah cermin actually. Ya, ni ada 3 set. Ni ada sikit set, tapi ni ada 3. Macam yang same goes with that one. Ia pun dari SSF, ni 3 ringgit. Frame, mirror, tapi ni ada 3 ringgit dalam sikit set. Macam ni. Okay, so we move to this one. Itu adalah actually musical box. Wait, dengan sia. Then when we open this, okay, fell. Okay, so ngutik nak. So dalam tu boleh letak barang like paper clips and anything. Yang ngutik, tapi I kind of like it since it's unique. I got it from my cousin. Yeah, and this one I got it from my parents when I was 9 or 10 years old. For my birthday present. Yeah, I really love. There's a thing about me, I really love musical box when I was a kid. I think like it's dreamy. Yeah, I really love. Okay, so next to adalah fake plant. To dapat dari SSF, and this one is vanity mirror, and you can see my cat hair. Ya, kita boleh nangga. Risky kat sia, and that's his Risky. To vanity mirror dapat dari my cousin too, and I put all the jewelry things, barang perhiasan di dalam tu. My cincin, gelang, rantai, semua dalam tu, and my hairbands too. Sama je di dalam tu, ada hairband, ada rantai, ada gelang, anything like that. So next tu adalah galaxy light. Tu I got it from Shopee too. I will give you the link in the description. And this one too, my mom got it from Shopee, and I will give you the link also. Tapi tu si salah, I got it from my mom last year or last year. Macam lah, same goes with this one lah. And to all my perfumes, my mask, tapi macam si apa guna lah mask ya, sebab si bagus. Okay, to adalah my perfumes from Victoria's Secret, my lotion from Bath and Body Works, and to adalah I got it from Kaison. Yeah, I got it from Kaison to put all the LED lights and galaxy lights remotes. Okay, so next is my sunnies, my earphones, and this one I got it from Kaison, I guess. Dapat tu dari Mr. DIY. Yeah, ni cute, so I bought it. Yeah, so why not? To actually nya dari patung, tapi kami pisahkan sebab I want that baju dengan topi combo for my cat. Tapi tidak dah pisahkan, so it's okay. To adalah my hand sanitizers, my notes, my supplement, my business cards, my watch, apa nama benda ni? Tasbih, Astagfirullahaladzim. Tasbih, and to actually nya free gift from pet ka. Macam ni lah. Lama dah. And as you can see, dalam tu ada macam yang maksudnya ada double eyelids tapi macam kami malas mau buat, malas mau pakai. So I think I'm going to use this during my graduation ceremony lah. So dalam tu ada my kitchen, ada pengetip kuku, nail clippers and anything essential. So tu adalah actually my dad's pun, bapak mek pun, tapi kami guna je. So to this one, move to next one. To kami dapat dari majlis perpisahan for my counselling friends. Macam lah, dari counselling students kami orang buat majlis perpisahan, and we got this, and I put all the snacks. Dah nak habis dah, put the snacks in here. So move to next one. To my dad bought it from hardware store in my house area. Dia dah habis bateri, and you can get it from Shopee actually, and Shopee pun ada banyak lagi yang cantik. So you can, I will give you the link also if you want. So next one is the note of my result for every semesters. These are my results, and from Sem 6 semester 6 to semester end, I got 3.5, straight 3.57 for CGPA, and for for GPA I got 3.67. So it's kind of like disappointing, I guess. So this one I got it from someone for my birthday present. Yeah, for my birthday present. Yeah, that's all. So next, this one is a phone stand. It's cute, so I bought it. Kami dapat tu dari Mr. DIY, and murah je. And apa lagi? And this one, tu table tu nya nang kan table tu apa nama benda tu pelapit meja. Pelapit meja tu nya dah hancur dah. Since dah bertahun je lah. Pelapit meja tu I got it from Mr. DIY. It's cute, so I bought it. Why not, right? Macam ni lah. So the thing benda yang kami suka tentang this desk is nya macam ada like the cupboards, ada dalamnya, nya ada laci. So macam bila kita mau buat kerja naknya macam si bersabut. And I got this desk from one of furniture shop in my house area too. Same goes with that one. Okay, so yeah, jakut. Okay, thank you for watching, and I will give you the links in the description, and I will show you how my bedroom looks like when it's night. Yeah, okay. Yeah, thank you so much. Bye bye. For that, I would like to show my room time-nya malam. So stay tuned. But your eyes look tired. Has it rained since last December? I wonder if I've seen your face, 'cause I can't tell if the winter spell was the way you... So that's all. Thank you so much for watching.